In this video, I'll show you how to install the LOCKSTAR Smart Door Lock. Most doors will already have some of the holes needed to install the lock. Now, LOCKSTAR includes all of the tools that you will need if drilling is required. Assemble the hole saw by inserting the drill bit, then secure it in place with the retention nut. There are two templates included. The smaller 60mm one is the most common, but if you have a larger door, you may need to use the bigger one. Tape the template in place and use the included tools as needed. The deadbolt is adjustable, but use the smaller setting if you used the smaller template. Use two 25mm screws to attach the deadbolt. Make sure the spindle is in the vertical position and the cable is underneath the deadbolt. Attach the mounting plate. The white cable should pass through the notch at the right side of the plate. Move the switch to L or R depending on whether the door is left or right open. If you stand outside in front of the door and the door handle is on the right side, then it is a left-hand door. If the handle is on the left side, then it is a right-hand door. Attach the auto close adapter and the white cable to the indoor lock body. Use the included bolts to attach the lock body. Install the auto close door adapter and sensor. The strike plate and the outdoor lock body have a protective film that needs to be removed. The one on the lock body is clear and a little bit harder to see. Use the included screwdriver to press the pins so you can remove the key lock cover. Once the smart door lock is installed, you can use the LOCKSTAR app to connect the lock and the gateway.